judgment room.
We will go on the record in the matter 20 CF 185, State of Wisconsin versus Sarah Coors. The state appears through Department of Corrections agent Gretchen Annabis. Ms. Coors appears in person without counsel. We're set for a restitution probation review hearing. Ms. Annabis, please recite the information on the record, update the court, and what the department is seeking.
Ms. Coors is currently living in Minnesota still. She has full-time employment, making very good money. She has no violations. She reports as directed to her agent, also communicates with her agent very well. She also has communicated with me in regards to this court hearing. She has completed a budget worksheet that, as indicated, and outlines her expenses. She has been sober since release, and I do not have any record of UAs reported from Minnesota.
How many days have you been sober?
I've been sober since the day you sentenced me.
I am proud of you.
Thank you.
And I totally forgot that Sean was your co-defendant.
Yeah.
You appear to be doing a lot. You appear to be doing good.
Yeah. Thank
You're
you.
doing great. You look healthy. You
Thank
look
you.
happy.
Yeah, I am.
Okay. So are you able to make $150 a month? And
I can do more than that. I was out of work for almost 2 months. I had surgery. Actually, the last court date that I came here, I had just had surgery the day before. So, and then they're like, oh, so I was out of work for a while. So then, my disability stuff wouldn't kick in. And so I've been playing catch up since then, but I got promoted to a new position, where I make, better money.
that's good.
And obviously, I want to pay back my victims. Can I ask what the total is?
Well,
Is it
here's the thing, and that's why I forgot with Mr. Johnson, I forgot to tie you both here together. It's $9,115.61. That's joint and severally liable.
That's
So,
total?
I think that's the total. That's what I have from the department.
That's what I have as well.
Because when I log on to make payments on the DOC website, it says like 18,000, and I don't know if that's including Washburn.
Well, maybe they cut it in half.
Well, because I was gonna ask if we could split me and Shino. I don't know. I don't talk to him, but I don't know his situation, but it's like, obviously our victims deserve to get paid back, but I don't want me get stuck with the whole entire amount if he's not gonna make his payments.
Well, here's the deal. And I was gonna tell you that, that's what I have as owing, but I understand joint and severally liable. I understand.
Yeah.
If he doesn't pay, you're responsible for
Right.
all. If you don't pay, he's responsible for all. But I'm gonna tell you, I am a fair and just judge.
Yeah.
And although the victims do deserve to be paid back in
Definitely.
full, but I'm gonna tell you, I will ride the co-defendant until it's paid. Or
Right.
there will be repercussions.
Yeah.
Okay, so in the end, I'll be honest, I'm not gonna have you pay the entire amount. You're correct. There was a lot more owed. I have the DOC order. It says the total amount $15,337.69 plus $1,394.34 in a surcharge, restitution surcharge. But where's the restitution hearing? Yep.
Because I think I had restitution hearings here, Washburn and Barron County, if I'm right. And I don't know if that's the whole total.
You were a bad
I was,
person for a while there.
yeah,
Well, not a bad person, just doing bad things,
yeah.
right?
Mhm.
You were lost.
Oh, I was. Yes, I was.
I'm very glad to see that you are found in whatever way you're found.
Yeah.
All right, because I like this person a whole lot better than, the last.
The last time you see me? Yeah.
Well, not the last time I saw you, but the time with the sentencing,
Yeah. Yep.
or before then, when you were doing all the.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I am seeing that there was a lot more that was requested. But in DOC's notice to me, it only says $9,115. Where? here's
On
my-
our record for your Burnett case, I only have 9,000.
Okay.
I made a decision here. Huh. You're only showing 9,000?
Yes.
Oh, I remember, because I remember this one, that it had the Dale Earnhardt die cast collectibles, I remember.
Yeah.
And there were some things that I didn't grant. There's some things.
Well, yeah, the one guy that was asking for the most, you were upset that he didn't show up in person. And then he tried asking for a bunch of money. You kind of cut it in half. I remember what they were asking for. And then when I had the restitution hearing, it almost got cut in half from what it was.
Because in my order, I say the court also finds, so I said the court finds the defendant responsible for the restitution in supplement to disposition order restitution document 32 in electronic file 20 CF 185. So let's go to the documents in 32. The amount of, that's document 32, where's document 32? Document 32 says a total of $13,943.35. And then I also say that the court also finds defendant responsible for restitution in the supplement to disposition order identified as document 20. Which is $1,318. And then court also says to all victims except AJS, as to AJS, the court finds responsible for restitution in the amount of $3,500. So there was a discrepancy there. So are you seeing how many payments were made?
She has made. So I can't see the prison, unfortunately. So if she were to work, they take 50% of the wages.
60%.
Yeah.
Mm.
But in total, she has made 6 payments. And what I'm thinking likely could have happened is I divided it myself. It's likely what could happen.
Yeah.
So you see in the 18, I likely by accident might have already divided it.
Right.
That's
So-
how I was doing my math calculations on a piece of paper.
Right.
Right, so she probably said, okay, your half is $9,115, his half is
Mhm.
But if she's been making payments and there's been payments, it shouldn't be 9,000 something. So I'm not exactly sure. I think there needs to be a little bit more digging to find out how much is owed between both of you.
Right.
And how much, would be a half.
Yeah.
So Ms. Annabis, how can the DOC find all of those records of all of her payments, all of Sean Johnson's payments, those types of things?
I can reach out to our financial department to see how we can access the ones from prison.
Yeah.
I can also provide you a copy of the ones you have made.
Mhm.
And I can also provide you a copy of the grand total of what you do still owe.
Yeah, I know I have receipts from I save all my receipts that I get in my email for it.
Mhm.
But I wanna raise my payment more. You said what, $100 or?
We don't have to raise it.
I want to though.
You just increase it. You just pay more.
Just pay more?
Pay
Okay.
more. Even if I say 150 a month
Yeah.
and you're like, I can pay 300 a month,
Yeah.
pay 300 a month. Because
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you, then if it's in an order and you're like, oh geez, I hurt my ankle, I can't work
Right.
right now. Then you're not making your $300 payment. I can go, oh, Sarah, what's going on?
Right.
And so just keep it at my order of a low amount
Okay.
and then just pay more.
Okay.
Where is the restitution?
It looks like the restitution order is missing.
What document are you looking at?
Well, I was looking at all the supplements of.
So when you pay,
and
it shows up
significantly
for
less
this case,
people on the
18,000, right?
I can pull up what it shows, like when I log on there.
I just sent that,
Um,
your order. Do you-
Okay, all right, so what we're gonna do is, Ms. Annabis, you're gonna do some digging and some looking, and Olivia just found that where there could be a discrepancy, and she sent stuff to DOC, and we'll figure it out, and then we'll go from there. Whatever you find though, Ms. Annabis, and whatever you're gonna send her, Ms. Course, please send it to me too, file it with me too, because I'm going to look at this personally as well, so I can
Alright.
figure it out. So in my brain, I can have it as a whole, but then I can have it as
Right.
two separate parts.
Yeah.
Okay? But you're doing great.
Thank you.
I'm very glad to hear that. Are you still, let me make sure that I have your address. And it doesn't look like Sean's has the DOC order in it. But maybe I just pulled up. Yeah, I can't see the DOC order for restitution in Sean's, but. Okay. Are you still at, I have Ross Avenue East?
Yes.
Telephone ends in 0754.
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, so be on the lookout for stuff from DOC.
Okay.
I will as well. If I think we need another hearing, I'll have one scheduled. But you can call, you can do Zoom or call in on that one.
Okay.
I'm not gonna make you drive. I just want to make sure that, because I know you're paying, you're getting back to work and you're doing it, and
Yeah.
you want this off your back.
Right.
So, I'm just gonna make a special note for you and Sean as well. Okay, well, I think that's all. I'm gonna order $150 a month. Right now, I'm not gonna do any impose and stay jail.
Okay.
I'm getting a good vibe.
Thank you.
So, all right, so you're free to go.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Keep up the good work, and Miss Coors, I am proud of you.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Very proud of you.
Thank
Did
you.
your dad come to one of them?
Did my dad?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I thought he did. I thought I remembered him coming to
Oh, yeah.
one
Yeah.
years ago.
Yeah, that's my big guy. He's my supporter big time, so. Yeah,
Well, send him my best.
I will. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more courtroom cases.